Hello students, today let us know one more construction, how to construct a similar triangle to a given triangle. Okay, for that let us consider one more problem. It is construct a triangle with sides of 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter and draw another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Here the scale factor is 7 by 5. That means here the more part we have to take, that is 7 parts we have to take with the acute. Let us see how it to be constructed here. For that, let us draw a triangle with a given measurement. That is, the triangle is 6 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. No, let us take a straight line 7 centimeter. Let me call that as again BC. So this is 7 centimeter. Let us take 5 centimeter in the compass. Now with B as center, cut an arc towards A. Now take 6 centimeter again in the compass. So with C as center, cut towards this A. You are getting one point here. So let me call that as A. Now join BC and AB and AC here. AB, this is AC. This is 5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Obviously, it will be 7 centimeter. Let it be. Of course, let us take it as somewhat here 6 centimeter. Now, so the scale factor is to 7 by 5. No, so for that. Make an acute with BC here. Draw a ray with BC here. Now make this ray into 7 equal parts, or take some distance, considerable distance here. Take an arc, a considerable distance. Now go on making 7 parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I made 7 equal parts with the acute. Let me call them as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. Now it is numerator is greater than the denominator. Hence here the denominator part is 5 here. Now you have to join B5 and C. This is what the difference between the first construction and this construction here. When the numerator is greater than denominator, you have to take like this. Now to draw a parallel line for this, you have to extend BC here. Just you have to extend BC here. Okay. Now we have to draw exactly parallel to this here. Okay. So with the B7 here. Therefore, I am going to take an acute. Again, take some considerable distance in your compass. With B5 as a center, take an arc. Okay. Without changing this distance, with the B7 as center, you take one more arc. With B5 and B7 here. Okay. Now take the length of this arc here. Take the length of this arc Okay, with the same distance you cut this arc. Now you are getting one point here, this point. Okay, now with B7 through this point, join that point and extend it to BC, line BC. Let me call that as somewhat D here. D is a point on BC now. Now we have to construct a similar triangle with the given triangle. No, we have to get one more triangle. So here we have to draw a parallel. Okay, for that let me extend this AB again as similar as BC here. Extend this. Now we have to draw a parallel, therefore you have to proceed the procedure what we done here, okay, with the acute. Therefore take some length of arc here, with C as center take an arc, and with the D as center take an arc. Now take the length of this arc, okay. Now with this arc or this arc with the same length, now we are getting one more point here. So with that point, with the D as center, through this point draw a line. Okay, this is exactly parallel to AB here. This is what let me call this as somewhat E here. Now this AC is parallel to DE. So this is ABC is the given triangle. EBD is the constructed triangle. Triangle EBD is exactly similar to this ABC. The sides ratio as 7/5 here. BE is 7 part. AB is 5 parts. Here also BD is 7 part. BC is 5 part here. That means we can say that in this triangle EBD is similar to triangle ABC. ABC is the given triangle. So the sides ratios you have to write, numerator is the greatest part, no? BE by AB is equal to BD by BC is equal to 7/5. So this is how we have to construct a similar triangle to the given triangle. Students, let us learn one more construction in the next video. Thank you.